How to start a manufacturing business. This video is designed to help you plan and start a manufacturing business. At the end of the video you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. If you've ever dreamed of creating and producing your own products, this video is for you. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Start with market research. Before venturing into the manufacturing world, it's crucial to thoroughly understand your target market and identify potential opportunities. Conduct market research to analyze demand, competition, and consumer preferences. This information will guide your product development and help you make informed decisions throughout the process. Step 2. Develop a solid business plan. A well-structured business plan will serve as your roadmap. Outline your goals, target market, pricing strategy, production process, marketing approach, and financial projections. This document will not only help you stay organized but also serve as a tool to attract investors or secure funding. Step 3. Choose your niche. Manufacturing covers a wide range of industries, from textiles to electronics, and everything in between. Find your passion and expertise, and identify a niche within the market that aligns with your interests and capabilities. Focusing on a specific niche will help you differentiate yourself and target a more specific customer base. Step 4. Set up your manufacturing facility. Depending on your product and budget, you have different options. You can either lease a space or establish your own manufacturing facility. Consider factors such as location, size, utilities, and equipment required. Collaborate with industry experts to ensure your facility meets regulatory standards and efficiency requirements. Step 5. Source reliable suppliers. To produce high-quality products, you'll need access to reliable raw materials and components. Research and establish partnerships with reputable suppliers who can meet your quantity, quality, and delivery requirements. Build strong relationships with your suppliers as they are essential to your manufacturing success. Step 6. Design your production process. A well-designed production process ensures efficiency, quality control, and timely delivery. Determine the steps involved in manufacturing your product, including sourcing, production, assembly, testing, and packaging. Create a workflow that optimizes each stage, minimizing waste and maximizing productivity. Step 7. Hire skilled labor. Manufacturing businesses require a skilled workforce to operate machinery, manage production, and maintain quality control. Recruit experienced professionals who understand your industry and can contribute to your business growth. Invest in training and development programs to enhance the skills of your employees. Step 8. Implement quality control measures. Consistency and quality are crucial in manufacturing. Implement stringent quality control measures to ensure that every product leaving your facility meets or exceeds customer expectations. Conduct regular inspections, perform quality tests, and establish feedback loops to continuously improve your manufacturing processes. Step 9. Create a marketing and distribution strategy. Developing an effective marketing and distribution strategy is essential for reaching your target audience and driving sales. Identify the best channels to promote your products, such as e-commerce platforms, retail partnerships, or direct sales. Utilize digital marketing tools, social media platforms, and influencer collaborations to expand your reach. Step 10. Monitor and adapt. As you launch your manufacturing business, it's important to continuously monitor your operations and adapt to changing market dynamics. Keep track of your production efficiency, customer feedback, and market trends. Embrace innovation and leverage technology to streamline processes, reduce costs, and stay ahead of the competition. And there you have it, entrepreneurs. a step-by-step guide on how to start a manufacturing business. Remember, starting any business requires dedication, perseverance, and a passion for what you do. Don't be afraid to seek advice from industry experts and mentors along the way. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.